Hi, I'm Tisha Miller. I'm with Occupational Therapy, and I'm here to explain the instructions for the Sensory Station for the Diverse Abilities Day. First of all, the supplies that you'll find in the bins that you'll receive are as follows. You'll have an instruction sheet, which will be supplied. You'll have a station sign. You'll have a sensory information script, which is what I'm holding here, which we'll read in just a minute. You'll also have an audio of static noise, which your campus can provide you with a laptop, and you can find a static noise on YouTube, which we have an address provided. You can pull that up. There will be a bright flashing light, a Tupperware, or this container of smelly catfish smell, 5 Velcro necklaces, 5 whiteboards, 5 cloth erasers, and 5 dry erase markers, and then double-sided tape. And we have them set up here. So depending on how many children you have at your station, we would recommend that you have 5 at a time perform the activity with 5 others watching. And be aware of the time. The stations are 8 minutes at the most, so be aware of your time so you can have 5 children do the activity and then rotate. And then if you have 5 more, allow time for if you have 15 or more. So, okay, as far as performing the activity, if you see on the other side of your instruction sheet is sensory information script. What we suggest is reading this script and these scenarios to the children. So it says your senses are what you feel, see, taste, hear, and smell. And what if your senses bothered you and you could not pay attention or listen to your teacher or learn at school? This can be a big problem for some people. Imagine if you are trying to read a book and the air conditioner in the classroom sounded like a vacuum cleaner. You are trying to read your library book in class and the ceiling lights hurt your eyes, seem like they are police lights and give you a headache. You are trying to take a math test and your shirt feels itchy and scratchy like sandpaper. You are trying to copy your spelling words and your pencil feels sticky and squishy like glue or honey. You are trying to take a test and the trash can in the classroom smells like rotten eggs. So after reading this, you're going to be getting the children the scenarios of what children who may have problems with their sensory system are experiencing in their classrooms. So what you can do is have the children put on the Velcro necklace, which simulates the scratchy itchiness of their shirt, and put on the scratchy side toward their neck. You can turn on your computer that has the static noise. So that is going at the same time. Open up your smelly odor. Here we have, this is catfish bait. Very smelly. And you have your flashing light. So while someone, let's see, flashing, okay. So then you next ask the children to do a writing activity. So depending on what ages that you have, if they're 5th grade, you can ask them, okay, write your name, your grade, what school you go to, where you live, and then of course if it's younger children, kindergarten, they can write their name, last name, their favorite color, the number of how old they are. You'll just grade it according to how old they are. And have them just write while all of these sensations and this experience is going on at the same time. And some questions you can be asking while they're doing this activity, or as they finish, some questions that we have suggested, and you probably can think of some more. Ask them questions like, wouldn't it be hard for you to work during the smell? Isn't it hard to work when you feel itchy and scratchy? Does that distract you, or is it hard to focus? Is it hard to write? And on here we have 2-sided sticky tape to make the marker sticky. Is it hard to write with your pen or pencil real sticky? Does it feel funny in your hands? And have them get that experience so they can, again, understand what problems with someone's sensory system, how it might be impacting their peers and other students in their classroom. And that's it. Have fun. Thank you.